In the quiet corners of the internet, a new legend stirs. It speaks not of ancient curses or forgotten crypts, but of a modern collectible. This is the story of Labubu, a seemingly innocuous art toy, now shrouded in unsettling claims. Labubu, known for its mischievous grin and playful design, has captivated collectors worldwide, yet a darker narrative has begun to emerge. Owners report strange occurrences, transforming a beloved figure into an object of dread. The first whispers began subtly, dismissed as mere coincidence. Then the reports grew more frequent, more specific. A pattern started to form, too unsettling to ignore. Witnesses describe objects moving on their own, often near the doll. Small items vanish, only to reappear in unexpected places. Some claim to hear faint whispers or the distinct sound of tiny footsteps when no one else is present. One collector recounted waking to find their Labubu doll facing a different direction. Another reported a sudden, inexplicable chill in the room whenever the doll was present. These are not isolated incidents. Of course, skepticism abounds. Many dismiss these accounts as mere superstition or overactive imaginations. They suggest confirmation bias, where people seek out evidence to support a pre-existing belief. Logical explanations are often proposed. Drafts, settling houses, or even simple forgetfulness could account for many of the reported phenomena. The human mind is adept at finding patterns, even where none exist. Despite the rational arguments, the stories persist. Why this particular doll? Why do so many independent accounts share similar unsettling details? The sheer volume of claims makes them difficult to entirely disregard. Is it a collective delusion, fueled by online forums and shared anxieties? Or is there something more profound at play, an unseen force tethered to these innocent-looking figures? The truth remains elusive. The case of the haunted Labubu doll continues to baffle. It stands as a modern enigma, a chilling reminder that some mysteries defy easy explanation. Whether myth or genuine phenomenon, its unsettling presence endures.